Hi guys, this is for creating the navigation on the Webflow project. I will go with some creation of the small basic navigation for your website on project, right? Firstly, we need to go to the page on the home page. You can click on the plus icon on here, and you need to add the element. You can some add wrapper. That's why we are get the div block in first, and I go to the right side in the properties panel. There is a style tab. You can add some navy wrapper. Right, inside that we need to add the navigation. You can search on here, or you can use the command K for the find the element, or you can also you using the Windows PC, you can use the control K. Right here you can see now the navigation is coming to the our interface. We need doing some styling first on here. In the navy bar we need to add some style for navy bar in classes, right? Then we are going to change the logo, add some class for the logo link, and here you can see the some navigation link. I like to add some drop down also on here. We will see how to do that. Navy link, I need add same style on other about and contact, right? The navy link. Okay, now tree style on there. The navigation coming out on the wrapper, but I need it's inside on here. You can drag and drop to it inside on there, right? Inside the logo link we can add some text on here, right? Or you can add some image. That's mean you have the logo, you can add that things on here. I add some text, the logo text. You can double click on there, or you can edit the text on here, or you can use the settings and go to the paragraph setting. You can add text on here, right? We add some style on. Firstly we need to change the color. I think it's maybe I think we need on here, I like to change the main navigation color to dark color, right? Okay, now you didn't see anything. First I go to the this logo text and change color to white, right? And font size I like on the 46, and also we need the 110% height on the font height. Now it's looking like as a logo, right? I like it on the center position, but I think on here there is some padding on the bottom, spacing on the bottom. I need to remove that. Okay, and I think yeah, that's fine. We can add some spacing on the top and bottom on the navy bar, right? Now you can't see on the navigation link text. I add some class on there, navy link, then we change to the white color. You can see now that things nice. Okay, then I need to add some drop down menu on here inside the navy menu, right? I add class firstly navy menu. It is on the this side. I go to command K, and you can use the control K for the Windows and set the drop down, right? Now it's coming to the drop down on here. I need and same class navy link. I think it's better. Sorry, we need to add that. Yeah, that's fine. In the text I like to add drop text, change color to drop text is white, You can see now I change this features, right? There's a toggle icon. I add class for that, then it's coming to the white. Now you can see the menu on here, right? Now we need to drop down menu. We need to add some style on the same color themes. Firstly, we need to select the main drop down element, or you can add you can select the inside things and then go to the show button, right? On the drop down setting you can see the menu show. Now you can see the menu. On this is the drop down list. I like to add the drop down list, drop list, anything you can add name as the class. It's on the open stage. Yeah, in the inside the drop down menu list, this single link I need add some class. Drop single item, right? I add same class on other two. Now you can see those classes are there, and also in the drop list I need to change that color to this color, right? And also inside the drop single item I need their text color change to white. Now I can see everything on there, right? And also on here, this toggle icon in rotate to top when it open, and also it's coming back to this position when it close, right? Okay, then let's go how to do that. Firstly, we need to select the drop down navigation element on the main item. In the left side you can navigate. Then you can go to the interaction on the properties panel. On here you can see the element trigger. You can click on the plus icon and go to the drop down menu open, and menu opens action we need the drop down open action, right? Start the animation and create the animation on there. Drop down open. Okay, then move to the rotation on the transform, right? And we need to select the correct target element, the toggle icon. You can go to the navigator and select the element, or you can directly select from here, right? Okay, the toggle icon is selected. We affect that animation to class, the toggle icon. I put it on the initial state, right? Then on the initial state we need it stay on the same position. That's why I put the on here the 0, right? I'm going to duplicate this to 2 items because I need the 0 second. It's in the same position but the duration is 0. But when it go into the point, I think the 0.3 second, it's going to the minus 180 degrees. That's when it's coming to the return clockwise. That's it coming to up, right? Okay, then we are going to look at that. You can see it's coming up but it's not back. Then menu close action, we need to add this new animation, the drop down open. We select the one and delete this one. Yeah, now it's okay. I need to duplicate this drop down open on here to duplicate and select that and go to the edit, and we need to go to its rename as a close, right? Now we need it come into the 180 degrees to 0, right? That's why we don't need the initial stage, we delete that, and this is we need to come in up 182 within 0.3 second in the 0. In here you can see the duration is 0. We start with it's coming to the 0.3 second. Okay, you can see the now menu is drop down menu is open and close. You can edit the text on here or any style. That's thing you can do that, right? Okay, this is the desktop breakpoint. Then we are going to the tablet. You can see the menu is totally hiding. You can also the hiding position, you can adjust the hiding position. You can go to the select the main navbar, and also settings. You can see there is the in which the icon is appear on the the hamburger icon is appear on which breakpoint. Now it's appear on the tab. When you move into the mobile, you can see the menu on the tab, but when you go to the mobile landscape, it's hiding, right? And also the icon is hamburger icon is coming pop up, right? I think we need to change the color on the icon, on the hamburger icon on the mobile landscape, right? And select the icon and go change the color to the white. You can see the menu now on here. And also you can select that the menu button, and you can see the menu showing on the neighbor screen. Oh, now it's get very ash color in the default settings. I need to change that. When it open, I need to change this menu bar color to transparent. The menu button is open, it's get the transparent, right? We need the navy menu color. It's defaultly ash color. I like to it get this color. In the drop down toggle, we can add class and also given the 100% width. It's coming on here. We need to give it the 100% width, right? It's coming to left side now. Okay, nice. Now go to the mobile portrait. You can see the menu is nice now. This is the whole things you need to know how to add and style in the navigation with drop down.